Welcome to the stage. This is Singing in the Rain. My name is David. I'm judge number 3. Good luck to you. Good, beautiful costuming. Love the yellow and the pops of pink. Good, really make those big. That's it. Good. Make sure we keep our heels off the floor when we flap. Good. Oh, make sure we're all on the same foot there for those back push steps. Hop, top, the flap, the thump. Hop, top, the lap, the thump. Good. Make sure we're not late getting that stomp in. Good. Just check out that rhythm for the time step. Nice. Good job, ladies. Good. Make sure we're all facing the same way at our ending pose. Good job.